Creating your first pages. Up to now we've built our workspace and our application. Now we need to start building pages so it looks more like a proper application. So if you find yourself at the runtime here, down the very bottom you can see this developer toolbar. This allows us to navigate to other parts of the development environment from our runtime. So if we click on application, that will take us back to the application homepage. From here we can create a new page using the create page. So we'll create a new page, and we have a number of options for new pages. In this case we'll create a new form page. And again we have a number of options as we go through the wizard. In this case we'll create a new form with a table and a report. So now we have an option to choose what implementation method we'll use. Interactive reports we'll have a look at in a later section. For now we'll choose a classic report. Default the page number. I'm going to call my report products. And I'll go to the next portion of the wizard. From here we need to choose what table we're selecting from. So I'm going to choose the My Products view. And we'll add a new tab, a navigation item to allow us to get to this page. We'll accept all the fields in our report. And we need to choose a link to navigate to our form page. So I'll accept that default. And now we're defining our form page because we're creating two pages at once here. So we can call this Manage Products. And we need to communicate what record we're looking at between the report and the form. So we'll choose that it's managed by the database row ID. And now we need to choose what fields appear on our form. So I've copied all those fields across. I'm going to accept Insert, Update, Delete buttons on my new page. And we can now confirm that we're going to create pages 4 and 5. They're done, so we can run these pages now. And we can see we've got a report page, which lists all the records in our My Products table. And we can edit one of these records, and it takes us to that form. So from here we can delete the record, apply any changes that we might make, and we can also go back to the pages and see what's been done. For example, we have our Manage Products form, which has a region with some items underneath it. There's some processes that go on when we submit the page, and we can navigate back to the previous page that was created, page 4, and this is our reports page, where we can see a report region with a bunch of columns and a create button. So you can see that we've got a fairly simple framework that Apex uses to build pages very quickly in a very rapid application development style manner. In the next video, we'll create a search item on this report page.